Mic test. Sound check. And good evening, Sports Grand Basketball League. Welcome sa ating game number 1 between Nanels Vipers and Virus. And 7-0 agad ang ating official score. Etong Nanels Vipers maagang nakabutas sa score ni Ilustrisimo plus foul. However, etong Virus, their first basket was 3 points galing dito kay number 13. Eto na, 23. Oh, foul. Itong si Paolo San Diego ng Nanels Vipers. And number 23 will go to the line to shoot his 2 free throws. And the first basket, or first free throw, is miss by number 23. And another miss. Eto na ang side ng Nanels. Arbison, pinasa kay Lastrisimo. San Diego, short. And Arvin Victore, pass to number 17. Oh, 31 rather. It's Dela Cruz. It's Dela Vega rather. Bayot. Short ang kanyang teardrop. Saved by number 13 rather. Arbison. Short again. And the ball possession will go to the side of Virus. Victore holding the ball. Binabantayan agad ni Arbison. Victore. Ganda ng ball rotation ng Virus dito. Number 23. Pasa dito sa may corner. Sumuk ng 3. Short. Rebound by Ilustrisimo. Arbison. Pass sa Benosilia. 2 points for Ian Benosilia. 9-5 ang ating official score. Dagohoy. Titira ulit. No good. Ilustrisimo, no look pass. Kaso nakita yan ni Victore. San Diego, another 3. And another miss. Arbison to Venesilia. Pinasa kay Bayot. Munti ka pa may steal, pero ayun na, na-steal na number 23 using his left hand. Masyado lang mahina. And outside, mapupunta sa side ng Nanels Vipers ang ball possession. Arbison, dito sa may San Diego ulit. Nakabutas na si Paolo San Diego. Galing yan kay Bon Arbison ng Nanels. Victore. Pass to De La Vega. Susubok ng 3. No good. Rebound by Ilustrisimo. Fast break pass. Huli ni De La Vega. Victore ngayon may hawak. Victore, spin move. Oh. Turnover for Virus and Venesilia. 2-point basket again for number 5 ng Nanels. Dagohoy, pinasa kay Victore. Screen by De La Vega. Huli ni Venesilia yan. Ian from way. Easy easy layup. Dagohoy. De La Vega. Pass to number 17 Mendoza. Huli again ni Ilustrisimo and Venesilia all alone. 16-5 and 5 Ilustrisimo and Venesilia all alone. 16-5 and 5 minutes mandatory substitution for both teams. Fresh legs. Ang ganda ng pinapakita ni Ian Venesilia sa ating first quarter. Escala, pinasa dito kay Rempis. Back to Escala. No good. Dribbled by Arbison. Arbison. Naibaba ang bola. Titira ng 3. No good. Rebound. Nino. Mapapa sa kamay ni Rempis. Oh! Turnover for the side of Virus. Ilustrisimo to Nan Arbison. MJ. Pinasa kay Nan. Nan. Long 2. No good. Rebound by Rempis. Tatakbo na itong Virus. Number 43. Huli. And the ball will go back to the side of points for Ian Venesilia. 43. Rempis. Shadow lang malakas ang